to go. Hey guys, I want to share with you a super easy tip that can save lives and also keep your heating system or your hot water tank from failing. You want to basically keep any snow from accumulating around sidewall vents, high efficiency furnaces, water heaters, things like that. If it's not venting through a chimney, it's going through a sidewall and it's low like this, I use these A-frame snow diverters. Snowdrifts can build up overnight. You can get 2 or 3 feet overnight sometimes, and you could cause a problem with either carbon monoxide or the system will just shut down and you wake up to a cold house. So when these vents become blocks, it's problematic, and a lot of folks shovel them out. Well, I put this snow diverter on like this. The snow goes down on either side of it, builds up around it, but not to the vent. It blocks it. And then the next day when you go out to do your snow blowing, I used to just snow blow a path up to it, shovel it out, and it's good to go. But it doesn't shut off overnight, it's protected, and most of the time, because of the A-frame, the snow goes on either side, the heat from the exhaust melts anything in front of it. So I very rarely have to shovel, almost never have to shovel anything out from inside the A-frame. I usually just snow blow to it for access. To make the A-frame, it's just 1/2-inch plywood. I got some strap hinges, some stainless steel screws and nuts. I put some zinc coating on the hinges to give it extra protection. I bolted it all together so that it folded. Kept the hinges on the inside to keep them out of the weather even a little bit more. And then I cut a little handhold out so that I can carry it and store it in the spring and summer. That's it. Pretty easy to do. It's cheap insurance, and I hope this tip helps, guys. Have a great day.